First-person shooter games, or FPS games, offer players an unparalleled level of immersion. Unlike other genres, FPS games drop you right into the heart of the action. This perspective, combined with realistic graphics and sound design, creates an experience so visceral it can transport you to another world. Imagine this. You're crouched behind a crumbling wall, the air thick with tension. Dust motes dance in the faint sunlight. You hear the muffled commands of the enemy patrol just meters away. Your heart pounds, each breath echoing in your ears. This is the power of a well-crafted FPS game. The beauty of FPS games lies in their versatility. Whether you crave the adrenaline rush of a competitive online battleground or a narrative-driven experience, there's an FPS game for you. From gritty military simulations to fantastical alien landscapes, the genre offers diverse settings and stories. What elevates an FPS game from good to great is its ability to blur the lines between virtual and real. With powerful engines like Unity, creating a believable FPS experience is more achievable than ever. Gear up, aspiring game developers, because we're about to embark on a journey into the exciting world of FPS game creation. Now let's talk about Unity, the game engine that will be your digital workshop. Unity is renowned for its user-friendly interface and powerful tools, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced developers. The first step in crafting your FPS world is to define its environments. Will your game take place in a war-torn city, a sprawling jungle, or perhaps a desolate, futuristic wasteland? Once you've established the setting, it's time to breathe life into it using Unity's terrain editor. This intuitive tool allows you to sculpt mountains, carve valleys, and create intricate landscapes with ease. Experiment with different textures, foliage, and lighting to achieve the desired atmosphere. Remember, the environment isn't just a backdrop, it's an integral part of the gameplay experience. Next, you'll populate your world with structures, objects, and points of interest. Unity's Asset Store is a treasure trove of pre-made assets that can save you time and effort. From buildings and vehicles to weapons and props, you'll find a vast library of ready-to-use assets to populate your game world. Of course, you can also create your own custom assets using 3D modeling software. A key aspect of level design in FPS games is creating spaces that encourage strategic gameplay. Think about sightlines, choke points, and flanking routes. Your goal is to design environments that feel believable and engaging, offering players opportunities for both close quarters combat and long-range engagements. No FPS game would be complete without compelling characters. The player character is paramount. It's crucial to get it right. This involves character design, animation, and scripting. Create a visually appealing character model. Use 3D modeling software or source assets from the Unity Asset Store. Consider your game's setting and aesthetic, rig it, and create animations. Unity's animation system helps. Bring your character to life with fluid movements. Every animation should feel natural and responsive. Ensure your character feels responsive. Scripting defines character interactions. Implement features like head bobbing, weapon sway, and recoil. These details enhance realism and immersion. Sound design is often an overlooked aspect of game development, but it plays a crucial role in creating a truly immersive FPS experience. Imagine watching your favorite action movie without the sound effects and soundtrack. It just wouldn't be the same, would it? Audio has the power to evoke emotions, build tension, and draw players deeper into the game world. In an FPS game, realistic sound effects are essential for creating a believable and impactful experience. From the distinct crack of a sniper rifle to the deafening roar of an explosion, every sound should be crisp, clear, and meticulously timed. Unity's audio engine provides a robust set of tools for importing, editing, and implementing sound effects in your game. Background music is another powerful tool in your audio arsenal. A well-chosen soundtrack can set the mood, build suspense, and heighten the emotional impact of key moments. For instance, a slow, eerie melody can create a sense of unease as players explore a darkened corridor, while a fast-paced, adrenaline-pumping track can amplify the intensity of a firefight. When selecting music for your game, consider the setting, atmosphere, and overall tone you want to achieve. Experiment with different genres and tempos to see what fits best. Don't be afraid to use subtle audio cues to guide players or provide hints about upcoming events. Remember, sound design is not just about adding noise, it's about creating an immersive auditory landscape that complements and enhances the gameplay experience.